Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my studio apartments. I just moved into this complex recently and I'm super excited to show you guys how I made everything work together for my good. Okay, I don't have a lot of high-end furnishings in here. Actually, I don't have any at all because I'm not a material person at all. Most of these things are from my old place, but I just wanted to show you guys how I was able to make everything work, given the square footage that I have. Goodness, I need more coffee, you guys. But anyway, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and all that good stuff, and let's get right into the video. So when you get into my apartment, the first thing on the left is my whiteboard. I just like to write my to-dos for the day, write scriptures, affirmations, and anything that I need to remember later on. That's what I have on here. Next I have this painting. I don't know what city this is, but I just love having paintings and I don't have too much space in here, so this is what I have for now. Next thing, I have my trash bin. Not much to see there. Just disregard this. This is just some stuff that I have to mail out for today. Moving on, I have my shoe rack here, and as you guys can tell, I am completely obsessed with boots. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boots, and the rest really don't matter to me. All right, moving on, I have my bed. I love my bed. It's a queen size, I believe, but what I love about the bed the most is this addition right here. So this is a cloth. Let me pull it out so you guys can see it. This is a cloth from Ghana. I love the design. I love how, first of all, I love having a piece of home here with me, but I also love that the colors match everything else going on. So this blue matches with this pillow over there. This brown matches with the bed frame. Yeah, I think it's cute. But anyway, that is my AC window and my bed. I love having the white comforter, but it gets dirty really fast. But I still love having the color over here. Anyway, moving on. So here I have my living room space. These two paintings are from the Dollar Tree. Actually, I just DIY'd them. This is from the Bible. There's a scripture that talks about like Jesus must increase and we must decrease, so that's what I have here. And I just love having this on top and then me over here just to like tie into the theme of the scripture. Next I have here painting that a friend from church did for me, and I love it. It's the scene from when Jesus was crucified. But anyway, next I have a map of the world over here, and I just love how vintage it looks. I have this clock over here. It doesn't work, you guys. I just love the wooden color, the birds and all that. Anyway, next I have some more DIY projects for you guys. So these two quote-unquote throw pillows are literally placemats or table mats from the Dollar Tree, and right now we're in fall, so I just love the fall theme going on. I just inserted some stuff in there and sewed the edges of it, and I think it makes like two tiny but cute throw pillows. Next I have the futon, which I got from Facebook Marketplace, and I love having a futon in this space because you can make it into a bed. So when I have a visitor over or a family member who needs to sleep over or anything, they can like sleep here or there on my bed. Yeah, I just love having something that can be converted into a sofa or a bed at any time, and it doesn't take up too much space, which I really appreciate. Moving on, I have my dining set over here, and I think these are more of patio. This is more like patio furniture, but I love how it ties into the space and it doesn't take up too much space, which is the most important for me. This right here is literally, okay, you guys don't laugh at the tackiness, okay? So this is a candle holder from Bath and Body Works, and I have a lot of seashells in my house, so I just poured it in there to make a centerpiece for the table. And I love having a glass table, which is tiny but also very cute. And this is irrelevant to this video, okay? But this is the little breaker thingy. It's locked right now, I can't open it. But anyway, moving on, I wanted to show you guys these two things right here. These are both from Ghana. This is a musical instrument, and that's the traditional colors of Ghana, the Ghana flag. I love having things from Ghana here because it just reminds me of home. It's kind of difficult. It's difficult to live in a place which is away from your home. So I think it helps to have things to represent where you come from. But anyway, this is another DIY thing for me. This is my favorite scripture in this entire world. It is Luke 9:23. It says that if any of you wants to be my follower, you must give up your own way, take up your cross daily, and follow me. And I really, really, really love this scripture because it's been a personal challenge of mine. It's a scripture that I really want to live up to, and it takes the strength of God to let your flesh die daily, so the spirit would dominate you. Yeah, anyway, let's move on. We're gonna circle back here. Here I have my work from home setup. I currently work from home full time, and I'm also trying to start a career in the insurance industry. So this is my whole work setup. But before we get into that, let's look at this. I love essential oil diffusers. Right now I have a fruity scent going on. It smells divine. Next, I have my books. Forgive the mess, but I have my books, my Bible, journal, things like that. I have my meal container right here. This basket, I think I got it from you know those Christmas gifts baskets that people would give to you. That's where I got the basket from. Here I just hang my car key. I have a little thing that I'm gonna put change in. Yeah, not much to see there either, but here I have all my chargers. I have my ring light for my YouTube channel. Here's just more work related stuff. I have my desk here. I like to work on 2 different screens. That's why I have 2 computers here. But behind it is hiding this candle that I got from Aldi's. And you guys, like, not to promote Aldi's or anything, but Aldi's always has great candles for so cheap. I literally got this candle for like 99 cents. So I grabbed 12 candles. Anyway, moving on, I have some more maps. And I have this thing which I really like. I think it just ties into the whole theme of the maps going on. But this is from a church that I visited. It's called Nations Church in Orlando. It's a great church if you guys ever want to check it out. And yeah, I also have another Bible related thing here. This is like 365 days of scriptures. So you just take one for each day. I have another ring light that I could use, but this has a yellow color to it, so I don't really use it to record videos. I have my morning coffee going on, and this is just my pencil holder, and then a lotion for when my hands get really dry. I have my printer down there, my backpack, and this, forgive this blanket, this chair, I really need a new one. I need one that has an armrest on each side, so I definitely need to replace that soon. And this is just my prayer shawl, or something I like to drape over my shoulders when working. I have another tripod here, my broom. I don't have a dustpan yet, you guys, because I just haven't had time to buy everything for this apartment. Some more candles from Aldi's. I have my fridge, shelves here. I love how spacious everything is. I have enough space for everything. Wait, why did I just repeat myself? Never mind. Moving on, here's my microwave. What I really love about this microwave is that I can bake things in it because this apartment does not have an oven. So I'm really grateful that there's a microwave that I can bake in. Anyway, this is my cooktop. It's pretty functional, but I just don't like that sometimes when I cook, if I don't turn on the fan, the smoke alarm starts going off. So I need to have that on every time I cook. I don't know, I think that's just how this whole complex is set up. Moving on, this is my favorite thing in this entire apartment. This is my coffee bar right here. I got this mason jar from the Dollar Tree, and I just got some ground coffee, and I put a label on it, and I think this is called Twine. Yeah, I think it's really cute. Some coffee syrups here that I got from Marshall's. Again, this was an old candle holder. I just cleaned it out, and I put some seashells in there, and I love it. And here's just some random stuff like sugar, straws, and stuff for my coffee bar, my candle lighter, my coffee maker that my mom gave me. Oh, forgive me if I'm putting my hands too much in the video. Here I just have some food products, more food products. I'm a prepper, you guys. That's why I have all those cans going on. I think it's important to have extra food in your place at all times. Anyway, here I have more food. Oh, these are body butters. My cousin from Ghana, her name, she has a business. The name is Uzuri Glow, which means beautiful. She sells shea butter, body butters, African black soap, all authentic, so you know they're not cut with any like fake products, and they're shipped directly from Ghana. So I will include the link to the Etsy store in the description box. There I have a basket that has my hair products in, and this is I don't know if you guys can see properly, but I have my hair oil in here that I made myself. Essential oils, like this whole thing is full of essential oils, more essential oils. Anyway, let me not show my obsessions too much. Here I have my medicine cabinet. I have vitamins and stuff like that in there. I love this light. I got this from the Dollar Tree as well. I don't know if you guys can tell, but once the light is off, it's like a, let me see if this will be better. Nope, not better. Let me just move this light away so you guys can see it. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. Here I have more candles from Aldi's, a DIY incense holder that I made. I love the sink as well because it's so huge, and it's just multifunctional for me because I can wash my hair in there and whatever. Here I have more candles, the 12 candles that I was referring to earlier. Here I have my cleaning supplies, and back there I have extra grocery bags because if you live in a black home or how do I say this? You just know that it's important to save grocery bags and use them as trash bags, okay? All right, moving on. I have my dishwasher. Next, I have my sink. So remember that I told you guys that this whole complex was previously an apartment complex. That's why it is set up this way. So I have the bath sink here. It's separate from the main bathroom itself. So here I have this cute little chair that my mother gave me. I love the teal color. There is no closet in this apartment, so I had to get a clothing rack and just use that as a DIY closet. So I have my clothes hanging here, And down here I have 3 storage bins. So one is for my like junk stuff, feminine products or whatever. Here I have like things like socks, bra, underwear. And here I have my more junk items in a basket, extra clothes in a hamper. This is my travel carry-on for work because I travel a lot for work. Here I have my 2-car garage. This bag is actually the bag that I take with me to go to Ghana. This as well, but it's damaged. This metal piece is damaged, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. So I just use that as a extra storage. Here I have the products that I use on a daily basis. I love having baskets in the home. I just love it. I love baskets, obsessed with them. But anyway, this is a seashell that I got from my previous house, and I love having yellow. I love that yellow brightens a whole place, and I think yellow is a great color for people dealing with depression. It's just a very fun, uplifting color to have in a space. All right, so here I have my toothbrush, soap holders. These I got from the Dollar Tree. Another Aldi's candle. So this is the actual bathroom. I'm not gonna turn on the light in here because it turns on the vents as well, and I don't want that grainy sound in this video. So we're just gonna have to make do. Not much to see here, just a calendar, flowers. This was another DIY project. Just get a vase or whatever you call it. Put some seashells in there, some flowers from the Dollar Tree. Yeah, there isn't really much to see here. I have my Ghanaian sponge and some bath products. Behind here, I have my towel rack. So what I really want to do with this space, I want to get an over the toilet stand, so I can put more towels on there and like take all these things from here and just put it on the stand. And then instead of having this calendar here, I want to get like 2 floating shelves on there for like extra storage. Yeah, so that's basically it for my apartment. So let me give you guys a last look at it. So I have the bathroom, sink, closet, getting ready in the morning space, my dining chair, my kitchen, coffee bar, fridge, work from home / YouTube space. I have my living room right here. I have my bedroom right here and my entrance. So this is how it looks as a whole. And I just love this space. I think that it's so functional, and I love how updated the furnishings are, especially the kitchen, and how everything is so open concept. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Did I say subscribe already? Well, if I didn't, please make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.